this bronzer is just one that I'm obsessed with, but I'm sure you have bronzers at home. If you're looking for a really natural one, this one is amazing. A brush like this is really good for a bronzer because typically I think people grab a really big, thick, large brush for bronzer, and that's good for getting kind of like an all-over wash of bronze. But I think as we get older, a really clever way to wear bronzer is to use it in a sculpting way. So not really contouring, but it's about gentle sculpting with the bronze. So this brush, because of its angle, really works well to hug the contours of your face. So you're going to start with your brush and you're going to flick it like this, but the flick ends where your tail of your brow ends. And this little motion in this placement creates a really subtle sculpting effect. But can you see how that's created a really nice sculpted look to my cheekbone? I don't think people would look at me and think she's done a subtle contour or sculpt or bronze. I think it just looks very natural. Use code 20 for 20% off 3 mature makeup must-haves in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.